right, so we're over here with RDS and Martin, I believe. Yep, Rapid Deployment Systems, and he's going to show us this little two-person tent here. This is a very interesting little system. I wanted to check it out for you guys, so let's take a look at it.
Yeah, it's combat two-person tent. This is the cover, the weather cover.
Yeah.
It's external. Very great keep out wind, cold, very durable. It also comes with it's called the repair kit. The stakes. A lot of times soldiers like to take, Marine Corps uses it quite a bit. They like to take this door and just kind of leave it open.
There's a lot of room in there.
It's actually considered a two-man tent, but I would just say one man with his
One
gear.
person with his gear, always. Yep.
You bet. Like I said, it comes with a repair kit in it, so you will actually have spare tent poles in there, or an actual tent pole repair kit, and a patch kit if you decide to rip
Give
it.
you a little light in there, yeah.
Yep.
And that's the top.
And I'll just get in here so you can see actual room.
All right.
It's got a complete floor. Keep you out of the elements.
I noticed the material. Is this a little different than most of these tents that I've looked at?
It's very durable.
A very thick kind of plastic almost feel to it.
I won't say it's ripstop, but it's like ripstop where you can't rip it. You can't rip the material, you can't rip the zippers out of it. It's very durable. YKK zippers on everything. All very compliant, made in the U.S.
Cool. Yeah, the reason I was interested in it is because I have the military one-person kind of combat shelter similar to this.
Yes, sir. We have.
And I bought it from a surplus store, and I'm like, it's great, but it is kind of small. You need that extra room, and this is really perfect.
They call this a two-man, but I would not. Two men are not going to fit comfortably in here with their gear, so I still call it a one-man tent.
I always subtract the one person from it and consider my gear. Yeah, but it is really roomy in here. There's a lot of room in here. I know you probably can't see it on video, folks, but this thing is big.
It is.
All right.
That's why I came in here, so you can kind of get a picture of.
Try not to blind you with the light, but let everybody see what's in there.
And it also has a screen, so you can zip.
Oh, so you can do kind of air pass through.
Where just the screen is up, you can open it up, and you get air ventilation through there.
Yeah.
It's hot.
You keep the bugs out with the screen.
Yes, sir.
Very cool.
Back up. Just open up just the screen.
Yeah.
And then didn't open that one on the back side, but you can't
Cool.
see.
Yep. That's really neat. I like that. And those just roll up on the outside, the doors, if you just want to have the cross ventilation.
Yes, sir. And this is the same thing. You got a screen on it.
Yep.
You just open the screen, ventilation.
You got that screen in front there?
You can move it. After a very quick, easy setup,
right?
You can move it.
Oh, so it's not super heavy either. And it doesn't fall apart on me.
No.
I hate tents you try to move and they fall apart.
I want to say it's got everything's very durably constructed. So you got these very strong eyelets down here.
Yep.
You know, for putting them in. Everything pops all together. Very quick, very easy. Within minutes, this thing will be set up and ready to sleep.
Very cool. All right, thank you.
Yep. And you bet.